The Casio AE1200WH-1A is a classic, affordable digital watch that emphasizes world-time functionality, multi-display layout, resin strap and solid battery life. The product listing identifies it as a multifunction watch with world time, multiple city time zone displays, alarm, stopwatch, countdown timer and a readable digital display with a backlight for night visibility. Buyers commonly praise the AE1200 for its excellent value, ease of use and the very practical world time display, handy for travelers or people working across time zones. Customer reviews on the page highlight the watch's reliability, legibility and surprisingly feature-rich set for the price. Many users consider it a comfortable daily driver and a smart inexpensive travel companion thanks to the world time mode and multiple alarms. A few notes in reviews point out that as a budget digital watch it is lightweight and utilitarian rather than luxurious, but that aligns with what most buyers want. A dependable, multifunction timepiece that won't be a major loss if damaged during travel or work. We share buy links in description box.